What's going on, guys? Welcome back to James RC Garage. This episode, we are going to run Blue on the indoor course, so let's get at her. Still V1 electronics. Testing these softer DJ crawler tires. Let's see if I can make it through here. We are a little wide. That's me just whiskey throttling the trigger. We also got bands on the shocks. Running the OGRCs, oil filled. I got a wire hanging out. Snug that right back up in there like that. Okay. Blue has the red Injora motor in him. This Emax servo has got to go. So used to being able to steer a lot farther. I'll have to check my endpoints on this servo. But and we are also heavier than we used to be. Looks like I got a light bulb going out. stuck on here. We were hung up under this, okay? And there we go, guys. Quick little lap with Blue around the basement indoor course. As always, guys, like, subscribe, and share. And we'll talk to y'all later. Peace.